familiar with the song po ba? The beat was good, but the lyrics not sure. Sir Darren, Sir Darren ng Cabancalan City.
Hello
Nandyan
po.
po ba kayo?
Yes
Ayan.
po. Good morning po.
Ayun. Can you turn on your camera po?
Oh, sige po. Uh, I'm experiencing not so good internet connection po.
But
Oh,
we're
okay.
seeing
Ano
you
po?
clearly naman po.
Okay.
'Di ba? Okay. May pa-recitation pala tong talk na ito. Diba? Mayroon tayong mga random na tinatawag para po hindi kayo mawala. Okay, Sir Darren, is this your first time hearing the video or hearing the song and watching the video or narinig nyo na ito?
For ang yung video po kasi napaka-popular po and it's quite long na naririnig. And some of my students are into this song. But
Mhm.
upon hearing the lyrics, though I quite particular with the lyrics, but the beat, since the beat is good, so parang nai-ignore nila yung lyrics. And of course, knowing Ariana Grande, napaka-popular. So parang ina-idolo nila. So they gonna hook up with the song, but though not aware with the lyrics, but with the creator itself.
Mhm. So mas more on parang mas yung lamang yung beat ng kanta
Yes. Saka
pero
yung visuals po.
pati yung visual kasi ang ganda nga din naman ni Ariana, 'di ba? At yung
Yes po.
video very engaging. Pero yun nga,
Opo.
yung video, yung lyrics nga ng kanta is it something that we think na kailangan ng media literacy para mas
Mm,
maintindihan.
agree po
Yung
ako dyan.
part ng lyrics po, yung feeling yung, oops,
The part of na lyrics na merong ano doon na merong F word something.
okay.
And it
Ah,
gives or it triggers something na parang sexual.
mhm. Actually, the
Though,
whole song is very sexual.
yeah.
Except lang yung sa chorus na very explicit siya, di ba?
Mm,
So, yun nga. I think this song, ano kaya value na binibigay niya? Or do our listeners or our learners listen to this song without really just thinking about the values that it or the message that it embeds?
maybe if the students are not aware of the lyrics, knowing that most of the students nowadays are not quite very good in comprehending based on the results sa PISA din, sa creativity, they maybe just accept it
Mhm.
or may just embed what is in the video. But not all students could have the same digestion with others, but they may be reacting in different way, uh, iba sa nakakaintindi ng kanta.
Mhm. Thank you po, Sir Darren. Which is sad. And siguro yung sabi nga ni Sir Darren, it also provides us a context. Bakit kaya tayo kulelat sa PISA in creative thinking? Baka lang naman. And this is not really backed on research. Baka rin naman, it was also something to do with our lack of critical understanding of the media products that we consume.